Hey everybody! So today I wanted to share with you about a new computer that I just purchased, and it's a Beelink SER3 or third generation. Now this computer comes with an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, which is a 3750H processor that has 4 cores and 8 threads. And then it also comes with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM that can be upgraded to 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM if you get dual channel RAM. And then it comes with a 500 gigabyte NVMe SSD drive, which again, you can upgrade that later on if you wanted to, and you could put a 2 terabyte NVMe SSD in here. And then it also comes with the AMD Radeon RX Vega 10 graphics. They're running at 1400 megahertz, and it can support 2 monitors, both of them running at 4K resolution at 60 hertz. This also has Wi-Fi 5 in it, which is 802.11 AC, which is going to be fast enough for most people for what you would need to use it for, whether it's business, personal, or even some gaming. And so I think this is a great computer. It also has Bluetooth 4.0 in case you need to connect any of your Bluetooth devices to it, like you want to connect your EarPods or Apple AirPods, or you want to connect a mouse or a keyboard that's Bluetooth. It'll work with this also. It has gigabit Ethernet. And then it also comes with 4 USB 3.0 ports, a USB-C port, of course the Ethernet port, 2 HDMI ports, the headphone jack, which would allow you to plug in a pair of headphones if you wanted to have wired headphones, and then the power plug, so you would plug it in and turn it on. And I do believe that this one either comes with, if it comes with Windows 10, you can upgrade it to Windows 11, or it would have Windows 11 on it already. I've been buying these for quite a while for other clients, but I finally got one as well and just wanted to get it, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my toolkit out. And then I'm going to open this up so you all can see this computer and what it looks like once I've opened it. So I'm going to go ahead and very carefully cut the box so that I can get it out of the box. And then I'm just going to slide it out. Now I'm opening up the box. This looks great. This looks like most of them that I get. And then of course they include a user's manual, so you can read through that if you wanted to, how to connect your monitors and how to use the computer. It even has a hard drive installation guide if you need that. And then here is the computer itself. Incredibly small. I mean, I can hold it in the palm of my hand. And I just love these things. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this plastic so you can see it. And there we go. So right there on the front, you can see there's the power button where you can plug in a pair of headphones. If you didn't want to have Bluetooth headphones, you could use the wired ones. There's your USB-C and 2 USB 3.0 ports. And then on the back of it, there's the gigabit Ethernet. There's 2 more USB 3 ports. There's the 2 HDMI ports, and there's the power where you would plug it in. And then over on this side of the box, this is where it says accessories. So in here, of course, you have a cable if you needed it to hook up your SATA drive. And then you've got a little mounting bracket if you need it. And then here's all the other cables. They do a great job. This is a HDMI cable. And then here is the power adapter that you'll need to hook up to the power cable right here, which will then plug directly into the computer. So you plug this cable right here. I'm going to go ahead and take off this little tie so that you can see it. So you plug this into the wall. Of course, you have a different plug if you're in a different country. And then you would plug this directly into this adapter, and then you would take this end of it and plug it directly into the computer right there. And then also, you have another cable. Oh, they included 2 HDMI cables because this one has the 2 HDMI plugs on the back of it. And then they also included some screws for you too. So this is fantastic. This is going to be a great computer. And so I will be hooking this up very shortly. I'll be using it for a bunch of testing purposes. So I really hope you enjoyed that as I was opening up this Beelink SER3. I hope to be putting up more videos about this soon and be able to show you some things that we can do on it. If you'd like to see anything that you'd like for me to do on this computer, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll be happy to create that video for you. And if you do have any questions about this computer, please let me know that down below in the comments as well, and I'll be glad to get back to you about it. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like, can you show me what a Beelink SER3 looks like? And so I can see how it's set up with all the different ports. And then I'll be glad to keep putting up all this great content for you all. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.